Hi Quakers, today we're going to finish another page, actually 2 pages in our student work packet. So if you haven't gotten this out yet, get it out and then pause the video. Once you have it, you're going to open it up to not our first math page, which we've already done, not our second reading page, but you're going to open up to Day 1 Fluency. Day 1 Fluency. If you don't have a pencil, pause it and get a pencil. Okay, it says, write your skip count for each number, and it gives you an example. So if we were doing tens, we would go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So our first one is twos. So I learned how to skip count my twos in, I believe, 2nd grade. So hopefully you remember, because we don't roll our twos. But if not, that's okay. Here it is. And again, if you haven't done this yet, please try it on your own first. So go ahead and pause the video, try it on your own, and then resume it so you can see the answers. Okay, here are the answers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I'll stop there even though we could keep going. Next, threes. We are going to do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Let's go. 27. Let's go. 30, 33, and 36. So that we could do because we remember how to roll our threes. Fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You're darn right, I can roll my fours. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. Okay? And then lastly, our fives, similar to our twos, learned that towards the end of 2nd grade. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Awesome job. So make sure you pause the video, make sure you have all this written down or fix any mistakes that you have. And then we're actually going to, because we have some extra time, we are going to turn to our Day 1 reading accountability worksheet. So first thing you have to do is you have to read for 20 minutes. If you have not read for 20 minutes, pause the video, read for 20 minutes, and then hit play on the video again. Okay, so what I did is, yesterday I read, for 20 minutes, I read my book that I'm reading. It's called Borderlands by Gloria and Zaldua. So I'm going to put in that information right here. Borderlands by Gloria and Zaldua. I read, let's see, started at the beginning and I read up to chapter 2. Let's see what page that is. It says at the top there, 35. So pages 1 to 35. The story is all about the border between countries, but not just the border physically, but the border mentally, culturally, and emotionally. So I'm going to draw kind of what I imagine a border being. On one side, it looks a certain color. On the other side, it looks similar, and yet this area right here is apparently very complicated according to this author. So one sentence summary is people who come from the borderlands are often treated unfairly. It's a situation where people from borderlands, according to this author, don't belong here, and they don't belong here, and they belong here, which means that they're open to criticism and hatred and racism from people here and from people here. And so this is a very difficult place to be from and a difficult place to grow up. So that's my reading accountability worksheet. I wrote the title, I wrote the author, the pages I read, I drew a picture of what I read, and I wrote a one-sentence summary of what the author's talking about. So please, I'm glad that you did this. Look out for some more videos from me on Friday going over tomorrow, Thursday, going on over some packet pages. Thanks for watching.